Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll cover advanced charting techniques for crypto trading. First, learn to identify candlestick patterns which can indicate market trends and reversals. 2. Utilize indicators like moving average and RSI to analyze price movements. 3. Draw trend lines to visualize support and resistance levels in the market. 4. Incorporate volume analysis to confirm trends and reversals in price action. Mastering these techniques can greatly change your trading strategies. So, in conclusion, mastering advanced charting techniques can significantly change your trading strategy. The more you practice, the more ardent you'll become at interesting market movements. Keep exploring new tools and techniques to refine your analysis. By integrating charting with a solid understanding of market fundamentals, you can improve your decisions making and increase your chance of success in the competitive world of crypto trading. Advanced charting techniques can provide deeper insights into market trends. Start by learning about candlestick patterns and technical indicators like moving averages and RSI. Utilize tools like Fibonacci retracement to identify potential reversal levels. Practice analysis charts to develop your skills in approaching trends and making predictions. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.